It's gonna go
That's what y'all. Fire. That's fire content. You see what happened when you
I do not fight a fuss, but I do like the cuss. I can't stand a Tatiana who like to do too much. I don't care about your titties, I like super butts. I like stupid butts. I'm tryna
get my mind to jump, y'all. What's that sound right here? Couple seconds. I'll get bigger, isn't it? Can y'all see inside the car? Little lanes. London Lane.
What?
Look who just pulled up, y'all. Steve. Mr. Just graduated college. Look at you. Doing the goddamn thing. What's up, my brother?
What's up, my brother?
That's the boy Steve, man. I know what's going on,
How y'all
man.
doing, man? What's good?
Got Drogo in the cut, man. What's that you got, Shirley?
What I got what?
Oh, no, I thought you. Oh, that's him with the stuff.
Yeah, that's him with the you did.
Got some Mexican you did?
Yeah, why, you want to try some?
No, I just want to get it for the camera. It look good.
It's good as hell, bro. I'm trying to tell you, this the shit right here.
Come on, man. Shit, man. That's cool. Cooling and booling.
BT.
2M8.
2M8 VT question mark R7.
Damn, get up out of the way.
I don't know how I remember that bitch, but shit.
QX.
I do, goddamn.
WX.
Y and Z. Look, man. If you want to add some shit, remove some shit, say some more shit, you still add your shit too. We'll walk it down. I gotta get out of character for this. Muncho. Michael Jackson. Bitch, I'm scrapped up like the name. Coulda had a Glock, but I got 380. Two twin clips and that bitch shoot crazy. Chop with a dick and a spin out daddy. Second it look by no smoke. I was lying when I said that your rap went crazy. Smoking on dope like crack in the ass. Got the blueprint, but my name ain't Jazzy. Interview a nigga like say G. These niggas sweet just like D. They don't wanna die so they don't sting. Rock it on me like you know what I mean. Glizzy, how many shots? How many shots? Add more of the beat. So don't cut off.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying. It don't even end the same. Like it was just.
Yeah, I tried to line that bitch up.
That shit sound good though.
Doom. So anything you wanna add to them, make them louder.
Play it one more time.
Glock with a 50. I do not box when it's with me. Blow your ass down if you tell me. No middleman. I cut your ass off, girl.
Alright, so hold on. Spit it back again and then do it for me. Cause it was when you were saying it that day, you sounded cool.
I got a Glock with a 50. I do not box when it's with me. Blow your ass down if you tell me. We cannot talk on my friend. Drogo be so demanded. None of my bitches could stand me. None of my prices be cheap. It's something you must understand. I don't know what.
Shit without the ad-libs, it's plain as hell. Like, you don't have that same smack, but with his beat and his ad-lib, that shit smack.
Right, like make up for like certain parts and shit.
So you make up something that sound that really is simple with it, make it sound like it's really that.
How many shots? 50.
How many shots? 50.
One more time.
Glizzy. I got a Glock with a 50. I do not box when it's with me. Blow your ass down if you tell me. But I can trust in my glizzy. So I just got him a 50. Glizzy. How many shots? 50. How many shots? 50. Glizzy. How many shots? 50. How many shots?
This glizzy that we working on. Sorry. But you feel me? So we working on glizzy right now. We just, you feel me? I don't know when we gonna put this. When we gonna put this shit out?
Shit, when we put it out. We gonna drop this shit when they drop, y'all.
You feel me? But right now we just trying to make this bitch.
Glass, we got us what?
We do. That should be going up on your motherfucking Facebook page. What the fuck? The man said what, like 2,000 in 3 days, 4 days? Come on now, off the script. So yeah, this shit gonna be, it's gonna be lit, man. I'm telling you.
We gonna drop it when our hair get long and our money get strong.
You feel me? Some shit like that. Y'all finna see, we finna put in some real
We
work.
don't need no more ad-libs, bro.
We finna try to grab a beat.
Yeah, since he added.
Yeah, with his ad-libs, that shit already perfect. Anything else gonna be too cluttered.
Yeah.
That's why I said if anything, just turn the bitches up.
Yeah, your shit, you glassed them for me though.
I don't know. I think it's like
what you did also pulled the song back together, so it's like it still got that
Same
same
flow.
sound all the way through. Your ad-libs on top of my verse, it keep that same melody.
right. That's what I kind of wanted to do, cause I feel like what attracted to is the
That definitely, yeah, that sound.
added that shit.
I gave it a different sound, but you kept that vibe going, so it's perfect.
Let me play it out loud one more time. Let's see what the fuck we could just do with it. Glizzy.
Boom, 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 boom.
That's gonna go crazy.
Yeah. What? Hey. We cannot fuck again. Ever. Boom, 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 boom.
How many shots 50? Gonna go
That's what y'all. Fire.
That's fire content. You see what happened when you got fire content?
Yeah, we got that on camera, fellas. Spitting that hot shit in there.
I got the meat star status, chasing cabbage, make a wish, Aladdin. Hold up, you single? Just asking. Okay. Only fuck with the baddest, only fuck with the real. Give me a pound, I get it gone. Coming right back for a re-up. You know it. Muncho, Gwala, feet up. Boss. Look at my bitch, you get beat up. Bitch, you a horse, I get up with ya. I'm